Let's make some warm chocolate milk in the morning for my kids. It's gonna have vitamin A, B, D, and E. I start off with some milk, add some chocolate, add a little brown sugar.
Sugar, please.
No sugar, not too much, right?
I do a temperature check. It's a little bit hot, so add some water. Then I go in with my vitamin D and iron. Then I add my cod liver oil, which has the vitamin A, B, and E. And I give it to them, and this is so good. My kids get their hot tea in the morning, well, warm tea in the morning, and they get the vitamins. Hallelujah.
Okay.